Yes, students, we will continue with the goodwill treatment. I will explain in this. So, first, I have already told goodwill treatment entry is continuing partners capital account debtor to retiring partners capital account. Okay, continuing partner yaru? Question al nodi. Who will continue and who will retire? I have told. Brijesh retires. So, this one is retiring partner. Continuing partners yaru? Digvijay and Parakaram. So journal entry ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, that is by Digvijay's capital, by Parakram's capital. To retiring partner, retire ಯಾರು? Brijesh. So to Brijesh capital. ಈಗ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡುವುದು? ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಅನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ. In the about the goodwill, what they are telling? Yes, about the goodwill they are telling. Goodwill of the firm is valued 70,000 and was not to appear in the books. So goodwill get treatment in as per the accounting standard 1026. We'll give it like this. So one I'll tell. Value of the firm's goodwill is 70,000. They have told, isn't it? Now Brijesh share of goodwill. Brijesh's share ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? Brijesh's ratio is what? See, ratio was how much total? That is 2:1. Brijesh's is 2. That is 2 divided by 5 ಆಗ್ತದೆ, isn't it? 5 ಹೇಗೆ? 2 plus 2 plus 1 is 5. So Brijesh share of goodwill ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? 2/5 into 70,000 ಮಾಡಿ. Yes, that will give you, yes, that will give you 28,000. What did I do? Goodwill amount into Brijesh share. Brijesh's share is 2/5, 28,000. Okay, keep it aside. ಈಗ gain ratio calculate ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. They have not given in the question gain ratio, students. They have given only that old ratio ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ 2:2:1. See, gain ratio calculate ಮಾಡೋದು easy. See, 2:2:1. Brijesh retired. Brijesh is, that is 1 is 2 is gone. So in 2 and 1 is remaining. Okay, I will show it again in simple form. See here. That is 3 partners were there, isn't it? Digvijay, Brijesh and Parakaram, isn't it? Ratio was 2:2:1. Brijesh retires. This is gone. Ratio ಯಾವುದು ಉಳಿತು? 2:1. Okay, so gain ratio will be 2:1. What remaining ಇರ್ತದಲ್ಲ ಅದೇ ಮಾತ್ರ. Okay, yes. So gain ratio is 2:1. Now Digvijay's capital. Digvijay's capital will be, here ಈ amount ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, 28,000 into ಈ ratio share. 2 divided by 2 plus 1 is 3. Multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ you will get 18,006 like this. Now for Parakram's capital. Amount same, 28,000 into 1. 1 divided by 3. You will get, yes, 9,333. Yes, I will repeat this once again. Value of the firm's goodwill is given 70,000. Brijesh share how to do? Is 70,000 ಅಲ್ಲಿ Brijesh share is how much? Yes, ಇದು 2/5. 5 ಹೇಗೆ? ಇದು 3 add ಮಾಡಿ. When you do this, you will get 28,000. Now gain ratio. Gain ratio how? Here 2:2:1. Brijesh's was 2 removed. So 2 and 1 remaining. 2:1 is gain ratio. Now Digvijay's capital. ಈಗ ಈ 28,000 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು share 2/3. It will give it this. Then again for Parakaram 28,000 into 1/3. This much is the answer. Now put the amount. Easy. It's very easy, students. When we do many sums, it is easy. Now Digvijay's capital. In Brijesh column only you should write. Digvijay's is to 18,667. Parakaram's amount is here. In Brijesh's column, that is 9,333. Okay. Now same here, debit side only to Brijesh capital. That is Digvijay's column only. You have to debit it. Same amount, 18,667. Here it is 9,003. Fine. This is the goodwill entry you have to follow in all the problems. That is continuing partners capital account debtor to retiring partners capital account. Simple. Here continuing partners ಹೆಸರು credit side ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀರಿ. To Digvijay, to Parakram's capital. Here retiring partners to Brijesh. Amount calculate ಮಾಡೋದು ಹೇಗೆ? 70,000 ಅಲ್ಲಿ retiring partners ಇದು share. That you have to give it in the gain ratio. Amount ಹೀಗೆ. Yes, that's it. Now we will balance it. Digvijay we will balance it. Total ಮಾಡಿ Digvijay's When we add Digvijay, yes, it will come this much. That is 89,400. So debit side also I'm writing 89,400. Yes, so that is 2 balance carried down will be 89,400 minus 18,667 minus 4,400 will give you 66,333. Fine. Yes. Now for Brijesh. Brijesh full total is how much? Yes. Add the calculator. 95,400. 95,400. Balancing amount is to Brijesh loan account alli hagbeku. Brijesh idu. So amount will be 91,000. Now for Parakaram total ಮಾಡಿ 79,200. 79,200. Balance is carried down. How much? 67,667. Right here, okay? ಇದೆಲ್ಲ amount ಬರಿ 633 91,000 7667. Fine. Yes. Now we will write the balance sheet. Balance sheet is very easy here. Right? New balance sheet as on 31/3/2018. Assets amount, liabilities amount. How to write the balance sheet? Compare with the old balance sheet and see. In the old balance sheet, creditors 49,000. Right. Creditors 49,000. Next, reserves is there. Reserves I am not writing because it is given. Then Digvijay's, Brijesh, Parakaram's capital. Right. Capitals and the baridi. Digvijay's ಎಷ್ಟು amount ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ from partners capital account. ಈ amount you have got no ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಇದನ್ನು ಬರೆಯುವುದು. Right. 66,333. Parakaram is 67,667. Brijesh loan is 91,000. That's it. Liability is done. As cash is, yes, 8,000 as it is, right? Debtors, inner column 19,000. Bad debts less agide 2,000. Kadme madi, you will get it 17,000. Stock, same amount, copy it and write. Adrakke there is no depreciation, there is no appreciation. Similar for your building also. Okay, then balance it. Total madi, it's your homework that you will get answer 2,74,000. Only thing here is something new for you all is this goodwill treatment, students. Okay, I will tell once again. Continuing partners capital account debtor to retiring partners capital account. Illi continuing partners is the ಹೆಸರು ಬರೀರಿ. Continue Digvijay Parakaram. Here retiring to Brijesh. Amount ಹೇಗೆ goodwill amount retiring partners ಇದು share ಮಾಡಿ 28,000. ಆ 28,000 give it in the gain ratio. 28,000 ಈ ratio ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈ amount you have to credit here, debit here. That's it. Okay, thank you.